Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the history of REST API. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. Please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. History of REST API. Representational State Transfer, or REST, is an architectural style for designing network applications, particularly web services, that was introduced by Roy Fielding in his doctoral dissertation in 2000. REST has become a predominant architectural style for building APIs, or application programming interfaces, on the web due to its simplicity, scalability, and compatibility with the Hypertext Transfer Protocol, or HTTP. Here is a brief history of REST API. Number 1. Origin of REST. In 2000, Roy Fielding represented his doctoral dissertation entitled Architectural Styles in the Design of Network-Based Software Architectures, in which he introduced the REST architectural style. He defined REST as a set of principles and constraints for designing network applications. Number 2. Principles of REST. Fielding's dissertation outlined several principles that form the foundation of REST. These principles include a client-server architecture, statelessness, cacheability, uniform interface, layered system, and code on demand optional. The uniform interface in particular defines the standard methods and formats for communication between clients and servers. Number 3. Adoption of REST. REST gained popularity rapidly due to its simplicity and compatibility with HTTP. Developers embraced the idea of using simple and intuitive HTTP methods such as GET, POST, PUT, DELETE, etc. for manipulating resources. This led to the rise of RESTful Web Services as a standard approach for building APIs on the web. Number 4. RESTful Web Services. RESTful Web Services adhere to the principles of REST. They expose resources such as data objects over the web using standard HTTP methods. Resources are identified by Uniform Resource Identifiers, or URIs, and the representation of resource is typically in a format like JSON or XML. 5. JSON and XML. While XML was the dominant format for representing data in the early days of REST, JSON, or JavaScript object notation, gained widespread adoption due to its simplicity and compatibility with JavaScript. JSON became the preferred format for data exchange in REST APIs, although XML is still used in some cases. Number 6. API documentation and tooling. As REST APIs gained popularity, the need for proper documentation and tooling became apparent. Developers started using standards like OpenAPI, formerly known as Swagger, to describe their APIs and generate interactive documentation. Tools such as Postman emerged to simplify the testing and exploration of RESTful APIs. Number 7. Evolution and expansion. Over time, REST APIs evolved to accommodate new requirements in use cases. Concepts such as HOAS, hypermedia, as the engine of application state, were introduced to enable these self-describing APIs where clients can navigate and interact with resources dynamically. This promotes loose coupling between clients and servers. Number 8. Microservices and REST. The rise of microservices architecture further popularized REST. Microservices are small, independently deployable services that communicate with each other via APIs, often using RESTful principles. RESTful APIs provide a natural way to expose functionality of microservices to external clients. Number 9. Standardization efforts. Various organizations and communities have contributed to standardizing the practices around the REST APIs. The OpenAPI Specification, or OAS, maintained by the OpenAPI Initiative, provides a standard way to describe RESTful APIs. Additionally, organizations like RESTful API Modeling Language (RAML) and the JSON Schema community have made efforts to provide better modeling and validation capabilities for REST APIs. Today, RESTful APIs are widely adopted and used for building web applications, mobile apps, and integrating various systems. They have become the de facto standard of API design due to their simplicity, scalability, and compatibility with existing web infrastructure. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report about the history of REST API, or Representational State Transfer Application Programming Interface. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.